Hi, this is turbo-petrol. Today we have 2015 Nissan Juke, stock number 7465. It's run from the 12th 2014 to the 12th 2019. It's an E-16 DT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 1-speed CVT automatic transmission. This is the E-16 DT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left-hand daytime running light, left front 17-inch 50mm tyre, left front guard no dents, left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch 50mm tyre, then tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch 50mm tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch 50mm tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single set touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.